Cool. So you want to walk me through some of what I'm looking at here?
Yeah. So, okay, what's your questions here?
So I noticed, like, they did the capping thing.
Yeah.
They strung it. But it's like, why is it a bunch of short pieces? Short piece. Along the top edge.
The top?
Yeah.
So, well, we can only do 10 foot at a time.
Yeah.
Yep. So, I'm guessing what they did, so wherever they started was 10 foot and then wrapped. I'm not sure. They probably did a short one here because of that mount. I'm guessing.
Like, is that 10 feet from there to there?
This one's not, no. And this one isn't either, but like from here.
Yeah, see, it wraps around the corner there.
So those ones should all be full length, which
they don't look like 10 feet. Are they 10 feet? Could be our perception.
8 to 10, somewhere in there.
Okay.
I guess depends on what they rolled off, but so that's that. This, I'm guessing they did them short because of that light mount to get it around there, but it looks like we need to put some pin nails or screws.
I was about to say, because there's the little gaps, like, kind of all the way around.
Yeah, so we can put some screws or pin nails
okay.
or whatnot.
That was the one thing I noticed.
Yeah.
Obvious. Yeah. I don't know those. Oh, and I had a question. It's like, did I need to wrap these, or is it just part of the aesthetic?
So
I was just curious.
I mean, technically you don't have to, but it's something that's done that way if you ever got to take a window out.
Oh, okay.
Basically.
Well, I fix these windows so well. I don't think that they're not coming out without a lot of effort. But yeah, I know we talked about you. This is what we were talking about.
Yep. And like I said, we can do, depends on what you do with your deck. Obviously, it's going to come out to here or whatever. So a person can fill that in, and we'd have some coil or whatever we can.
Coil?
Because this all comes in coils.
Oh.
So we can clean that up so it's the same color or whatever back there.
Cool. And I see they blocked around some of them, but not all of them.
Yeah, because these ones had the channel, so they just used it.
Yeah, I did my best to install everything that had channels.
Yep.
Is this like you're talking about, like these?
Yeah, we can put those in like the seams and paint those, which they should have did, but I'm not sure why they didn't.
That's why I got you over here. And it was good because it's like right at the level of my drip tray, which is good. So all the water can come out if anything gets back there. I have so many layers. For water to actually get into the house would be a feat. But yeah, super nice.
Yeah, definitely.
Birds are already christening it.
Doesn't take long usually.
Did I do well in prepping it for y'all? I did the best I could with the upper edge.
Yeah, I mean, there's a little bit of stuff that was kind of uneven or whatever.
Yeah, then we got.
But it was.
What do you suggest I do with that?
So I guess.
Make a box to just surround it. Sometimes. I mean, so it's easily accessible.
Yeah.
I like how they blocked around that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Nice and cute.
Yeah, sometimes, well, and really, I guess, if a person could come, like that one's probably too tight, this one's probably too tight, but like this one, if there was some extra wire in there where you could move that out, would be able to clean that up a little bit more, but with the angles and there's so much build out on it,
yeah.
2-inch foam.
And at this point, it's like I think I did try to push it out, and that was as far as it will go.
Okay.
The inside plumbing or piping is just like, it's fixed.
Yep.
But, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, well, it looks good.
Yeah. And you guys did put a board up there.
Yep, it must have, yeah. Yeah, I don't remember how that was back there, I guess. But.
Awesome. And it's done. Yay! Now I have a nice outside. And some year I'll have a nice